my what I eat in a day to lose weight. I have been losing weight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And so I'm just going to share with you some of the foods and meals that have been helping in my weight loss. I know a lot of us are trying to lose weight. I know. We're just trying to look better in our clothes and better without clothes, right? It's very important to hydrate yourself in the morning, whether it's with fruit or with water. In my case, since I'm fasting, I'm just going to do an orange infused water until I break fast, and I'm just going to show you what it is. And of course, I want to set the mood. I do. I want to set the mood. I want it to smell good in here. Nice fall scent. It's almost that time for me to break fast. So let's just get started. I'm hungry. Let's go. I'm about to make a smoothie. The great thing though, when you're making a smoothie and there are other people in your household, they're going to want some too. So great way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables with your loved ones. So with losing weight, we have to be mindful of the added ingredients in the things that we drink, especially because there's a lot of hidden things. So I made my own almond milk. You don't have to. You can buy your own almond milk, but I like making my own because I know what's in it and it doesn't have any of those fillers and added calories that you have to be mindful of, that I think that you should be mindful of. I understand how frustrating it could be to lose weight, but you know what? You just have to keep trying different things and see what our body's like. I know it's really hard, especially depending on the season of life you are in right now. But it's important to really, if you find anything encouraging, it's important to really incorporate as much fruits and vegetables as you can daily. And so my goal is just to show you how I am incorporating these fruits and vegetables, and I hope that helps. I'm in the mood for a sandwich, so I'm going to make a sandwich that includes eggplant and some vegetables. It's so funny. I can't really look at eggplants the same since social media. Is that just me? Anyways, let's get started.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. I swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
I don't have a good knife, so I'm not going to cut up a butternut squash. I tried cutting up a butternut squash recently, and my knife just was about to give up. So I ended up buying a butternut squash puree at my local grocery store. You could probably find this in the frozen aisle if you don't want to cut up an actual butternut squash. So it's a little cheating, but still good. So for dinner, I'm going to make a butternut squash soup. It's so delicious. It's a little ethnic, and I'm just going to show you how I make it. Also, if you have a knife brand that you really like, let me know down below because I might invest in a good knife. So, but let me just show you how I make this butternut squash soup.
When you supposed to, cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to, knowing you're at home all mad. I know I shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do, 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 do. Why do we do the things we do? Yeah, you claim you don't mind it if I'm
So good. Spicy.
Cause I know that you really hurt. So tell me, is it love, 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 when you're provoking jealousy? Like you're always testing me. Tell me what that is, tell me what to fix. Cause baby, I do it, you do it, we do it all the time.
And if you're familiar with the soup that I made, I know you're probably gasping right now. So the soup that I made is a Haitian traditional soup. It's called soup jumu. It's so delicious, so yummy, so hearty. A lot of people will make it with beef, but because I am plant-based, I didn't make it with beef. And another thing that I did put in it, which is probably frowned upon, I know, I put dumplings in it, which is dumboy. So there's certain things that I just love, and it may seem strange to put in certain things. I don't know if you're the same way. Like, girl, you're not supposed to put that in that soup. I know, it's because I love it, and so I put it. So I try not to put a lot of dumplings in it because it's, it's a lot of carbs. So I actually count how many I put in, so I know how much to have with each serving. Something that helps me. Now, if you are trying to lose weight and you have meals that have been working for you, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for being with me and clicking on this video. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you so much. You guys are just so awesome. And if you're not subscribed, Kisa, subscribe down below right now. So that is my what I eat in a day to lose weight. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been all day and I'm tired. I'm going to go and pray and get ready for bed. And I will see you in the next video. And take a peek at some of my other videos that are related. Try and do or say something kind to someone today. You never know. It might go a long way. No, seriously. It really does. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.